Hey guys, welcome back to the TCU School of Medicine's YouTube channel. Today, I am here to show you a box. And I know you're probably thinking, this is a channel for a medical school. Why aren't you showing me something related to medical education? Why are you showing me a box? Well, that's because actually, I am about to show you something related to medical education. That's because inside of this box is none other than the top-of-the-line, state-of-the-art, brand new temporary location for the TCU School of Medicine. That was a mouthful, I know. But just take a look inside and see what we've got.
Hi, I'm Mayra Guardiola, Assistant Director of Faculty Development at the TCU School of Medicine.
I'm Sheriee Parnell, Assistant Director of Faculty Affairs at TCU School of Medicine.
And welcome to the TCU School of Medicine's unboxing video.
We're here to unbox the newest temporary space at TCU School of Medicine.
We're currently located at 4055 International Plaza in Southwest Fort Worth, just 9 minutes away from TCU's main campus.
Our medical school occupies the second and third floors of the building with additional access to
a testing classroom and fitness center on the ground floor and a cafeteria on the first floor of the building.
On the second floor, there is a sprawling study area, student lounge, classrooms, conference rooms, student lockers, media room, and kitchen for our medical students. The students are just steps away from our Office of Admissions, Outreach, and Financial Education and the Office of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion.
On the third floor, you will find the administrative side of the medical school. Here's the Dean's Suite, Student Affairs, Physician Development Coaches, Human Resources, Finance, the IT Department, Marketing and Communications, and, of course, where we are, Faculty Affairs and Development.
Clinical skills and simulation activities will be housed off-site at Harris Place, located at 1651 West Rosedale Street in Fort Worth's near Southwest Neighborhood and Medical District.
And that concludes the tour of our new space. Thanks for watching.
Pretty cool, huh? Wait until 2024. I got something even better than this to show you.